There's all the chickens that sleep either on the porch or up top where they can get out of this coop, or in this tree or that tree. But you see, they can get out from up there, but they sleep up there in the rafters. But these guys like to sleep in the shelf and stuff, so I gotta let them out. What's up, guys? All my babies. There's Bonnie. She was covered in snow the other night. You see, they're doing good. Pretty sure it's a boy, but we still call him a girl. And there's Mr. Toast. Oh, there was my boy's baby. No, you're just a little bantam girl. That's right. Tommy! See, they sleep on here. But if the little baby's getting my rafters or whatever, they can hop out through the top right there. And that's how they be getting out in the morning, some of the smaller ones. But these big ones, they be staying up on the shelves and on the sticks and everything. Right, Tommy? Trying to keep them safe. Oh, they found the rest of the food. All right, little babies. There's Queen C. I think her group's dwindling down. Need to figure that out. All my little black silkies are looking rough. A pretty black Crevecoeur. All right. So pretty. And that one. I love all my Crevecoeur mixes. They're all just so pretty. Let's see if I can find most of them. These are just the Crevecoeurs. My Bonnie, of course, is not a Crevecoeur. She's silky mix. My black dude over there, and him, you know, I talk about him all the time. And then the pretty boy ain't around right now. He must be. Oh, there is pretty boy. They all together. And that one. And then homie, the little black one in the middle there, is a Crevecoeur mix. He's Crevecoeur silky mix. And that's just two little babies. And Queen C is also a silky mix because of her toes, you can tell. She's silky Crevecoeur, so I can't wait for that. Her group must be gone. But anyway, I love my Crevecoeur mixes. No fighting. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know why that black girl, she loves eating straight out the whatever container I got it in. Right, babies? Good chickens. Y'all doing good.